We gotta have to get rid of all this and start over to have law offices of
This California lawyer is still getting used to his new title.
attorney at law. I almost forget.
An attorney at law since January, after California's Supreme Court ruled in Garcia's favor, granting him a law license, even though he's an undocumented immigrant.
When my attorney, as soon as it came out, just said, congratulations, counselor, you know, I became extremely emotional, started crying. I mean, it's been a very, very long and tough journey.
Garcia's parents brought him to the U.S. from Mexico as a young child. He eventually went to college and then law school, but because of his undocumented status, was denied a law license after passing the bar. Garcia won the right to practice after a 5-year court battle, but according to federal law, he's still living in the U.S. illegally.
His backstory is not that uncommon, but it's a very sympathetic case, and the federal government could deport him at any time. But what California has said is that, well, meanwhile, he's allowed to practice law, and meanwhile, people like him are allowed to go to college here and pay in-state tuition.
It puts Garcia in the odd position of being licensed to practice law, though his actually being in the country to do so breaks it.
It's very difficult to, on the one hand, be an officially recognized attorney. And on the other hand, like you said, not being able to vote, not being able to be fully integrated into society.
Garcia has been fighting to fix this for years. His father, who's now a U.S. citizen, filed a petition on his behalf in 1994. But a visa has still not been issued.
I think a lot of people believe that I opted to be undocumented, which is, you know, the furthest from the truth. You know, I had no choice. And I have tried to change that for 19 years.
Despite these struggles, Garcia's success has inspired others. Phone calls and emails pour into his office each day, many asking for advice. And with court cases similar to his pending in New York and Florida, it's clear Garcia's work has only just begun.
Khua.